Hello guys, today I'll be talking about how you can install VIM on your Windows computer. So if you want to install VIM on your Windows computer, the process or the steps you need to take is very easy. But first you need to check if you already have VIM installed on your machine. And the way you check is you go to your command prompt. I'm going to click my Windows button on my keyboard and I'll type CMD. Okay, so CMD takes you to your command prompt like this, and then you want to type vim -- version. Now if you have vim installed, you are going to get something like this that tells you the version of vim you have. So this is VIM. Of course, vim means VI improved. Okay, so I'm using version 8.2 right now on my computer. But if you want to install this, right, it's very simple. All you need to do is open your browser, right, and then you just go to vim.org like this. Okay, so vim.org, one second, let me be sure I have my internet connected. Okay, sorry guys, I'll just type download vim. Okay, yeah, so this is the address, https. So you want to go to vim.org/downloads really. Now when you're on vim.org, click on this PC. Okay, so just click PC and you see this. For modern Windows, you can simply download the executable file. Okay, so gvim82.exe. so this is for both 32 and 64-bit machines. Just click on it and voila, you are there. It's downloading right here. So once it's completely downloaded, and you see it downloading in a bit, just hold on. Yeah, so the download is complete on my computer now. Just install it by clicking on it, right, that particular download. Yeah, so once you click on it, you get this screen, right? Then you just click next. I accept, next. Remember, I already have this installed, right? And of course you would see several options, right? Just leave as default, please. Just leave as default, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so you want to click Vim console program, just leave as default really, and click on next, right? And once you click on next, you are going to have Vim installed on your computer. And once Vim is installed, you can check again by going to, I'm going to close this because I already have this installed. So you can check again by going to your command prompt, which I showed you before, and just type vim -- version, right, this. Okay, so this is how you install Vim. If you want to start using Vim, you can just type vim. For instance, I want to edit a file and I want to use Vim to create a text file and edit it. So I'll just type vim file.txt, and this is the editor. So now I can start working and editing files in Vim. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll escape and do this. Yeah, so of course you can check that file you just edited and whatnot. So that is how you use Vim you install Vim on Windows and you use Vim to edit files. So this tutorial is not about Vim. Maybe in another tutorial I'll dedicate that to teaching you how to use Vim, but this is just to show you how to install Vim on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.